Hey, this is Frank trying not to get kicked out of this Walmart. Haven't been hunting in maybe a week, except a couple maybe day hunts, checking here and there, but for the most part, Walmart, I just let it go. I let the HK stump in go. I felt like the Camaro just looked silly to me, so I'm saving my money and gas and time for the M2s, and I've been doing my research on the M2s. I'll be ready for all those. So let's see what they got over here other than a canoe. Kayaking down the Black Canyon. Kayaking. Jump in with the silly cars in them. Hey, how you doing? Took a break this month on these. All the cars are just silly to me. I mean, I bought a couple of the BMWs, but the cars they're coming out with this month, I was like, why am I even looking for them? It started to make me question, you know. Please tell me if you have any on order.
There's 12 in transit. They'll be here like in a day or two.
Thank you. And that's the trucks.
That one also has 12 in transit.
Awesome.
They'll be here soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Thank you. I'm just out here getting on the M2s. I've been focusing more on the M2 and the green light. I'll probably let the next few dump-ins go and take a break, have some fun, you know. The other stuff is just less stressful and more fun. Just yank it off the pallet and go. Getting tired of fighting for a dump-in with a purple and yellow Camaro in it that doesn't even look like a Camaro, you know. So I've been doing tracking on all the M2s. I'm gonna only go out and hit the M2s and the Johnny Lightnings as hard as I can, and the green lights and all that. And then I also went through a ton of M2s with nothing, which I'm gonna post a fail video because it was a mess. So let's see what they got here. From the bottom. Model cases, model kits. Come on, this will be my first model kit chase ever. Yeah, see, there it is. gold rims. The gold rim Camaro model chase. Cause you gotta get it while it's hot.